Here we are again, trying to focus on this bird. He's still perched right there. To me, he seems like he's lost. I'm trying to get closer. I'm trying to get a better shot at this bird. But this is very interesting. I'm trying to get as close as I possibly can of this bird because it's been there perched and been walking, and no matter what commotion, no matter what kind of motorcycle, no matter what kind of car passes, it's still there. If you notice, that lady just walked by and this bird doesn't move an inch. So I'm trying to get as close as I possibly can. This is phenomenal. And these are some of the things that Big Stone do. You know? Seem like a young bird. I can get a little closer to him if you can see the feathers now. See? See? And he will not fly. He's just walking. So that tells me that this bird either is an injured bird or this bird is very young and does not yet have the ability to fly. I'm trying to get as close as I possibly can. You notice he's not flying? Yeah, big up. You notice he's not flying? And I'm trying to get as close as I can. I'm trying to get as close as I can. And this bird, he flies. He flies. Okay, so that tells me, ladies and gentlemen, that he was very young and he just had his very first big flight. Thank you very much for watching.